In this video, we're gonna make a single file upload to upload a CSV file to Streamlit and to visualize our CSV file. So here we have an error, but that's not a problem. That's an error because we haven't selected any file to upload. So here we can browse for our files. I have a file here, and when I upload it, I directly see the data frame in Streamlit. We're gonna make this in only 7 lines of code, and I'm gonna head over to the editor and we're gonna start coding. So I created a new folder, Excel app, and a new file, csvreader.py. First, we're gonna import Streamlit as st. We're gonna import pandas as pd, because pandas we need to display the data frame. I'm going to set the page as set page configuration. I'm going to set the layout to wide, and I'm going to give it a title. So page title CSV file reader, and I'm going to set the layout to wide. I'm going to set a header, single file upload, and here we're going to upload the file equals to st file uploader, and upload your CSV file. Here we're going to wrap it into a data frame, so pd read CSV, and give in the variable upload file. And here we're going to display it, data frame df, and I'm going to set width to 1800 and height to 1200. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to run the application. I'm going to declare it. Okay, so Streamlit run CSV reader.py. It's giving an error, but that's not a problem. That's because we haven't uploaded any CSV file. I'm going to browse in my files, NASDAQ, and here we have the data frame. And that's how we can upload files and visualize it using Streamlit.